She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man, yeah. But I was counting out like last week. Tell me, where have you been?
Hey girlies, if you're new here, welcome. And if you are returning, thank you for tuning back in. We love to have you. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. So you guys, I'm back with a new hair video, and this video is sponsored by KESWIGS. So shout out to KESWIGS for sponsoring today's video. We love that for us. We love that in general. So you guys, they was kind enough to send me their 180 Indian hair invisible 13x4 HD lace. This is 26 inches. First of all, let's get into this lace. That's the first thing I'm going to start with. The lace on this unit is non-existent. It's melted into my skin, y'all. It completely melted into my skin. Now, as you can see, I did over bleach my unit. I always do that. I just feel like it gives me more of a natural look when I over bleach. So that is the reason why I do that. So as you could see, the curls are tight on this unit. They are. But that is a good thing. It's a curly wave unit, so you can loosen it. The more you loosen the curl, the bigger the hair gets. So you can definitely wear this hair up if you wanted to. That's how I had it this morning. I had my hair up like this in 2 ponytails. So when you get your hair, it will come in this box right here. It just says KESWIGS on it. Beautiful orange box. In the box, they sent me, wow, they sent me a waiver, y'all. And look at this. This thing is like, you could close it and clamp it. They sent me this, y'all. This is so freaking cute. And it does have their name on it, which says KES right here, y'all. It's so freaking cute. And I love the colors. So I'm guessing to open it, to fold it, it's like this. Wow. A headband which says the company name on it as well, and then a wig cap, and this cute little like case for whatever you want to put in here. You can put your makeup brushes, your lip glosses. It just has a nice hair clip, and it says the company's name. I have a edge brush, an elastic band, and some bobby pins, y'all, which it does say the company name on here as well. So let's go for the branding. 10 out of 10. I love that, y'all. To install this unit, I did use glue, and I use everything in my arsenal, y'all. I use everything in my arsenal. I use my even lace spray, I use my got to be glue, I use my actual Ghost Bond glue. I also used some foaming mousse. So you guys will see that in the install portion. I do recommend you doing the ball cap method, only because, like I said, this unit is an invisible lace. So you don't want your stocking cap to show under the lace, y'all. So I went ahead and did the ball cap method. I made sure I glued this thing down to the ground because it is hot outside, y'all. So now that the weather is changing, your head will melt. So try to always make sure your wig is on secure and like tight at all times, okay? If you want to see how I went ahead and installed this unit, please just go ahead and keep on watching.